Welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you for joining me. So today we're going to be cleaning the steering wheel. So for that we're going to be using the Auto Glim leather cleaner, which is going to do a deep clean and refresh the leather, and afterwards we're going to coat it in leather conditioner. So let's give it a go. Let's have a look at the steering wheel in its current state. This is the current state of the steering wheel. As you can see, it's pretty shiny. How do you know if your steering wheel is dirty? If it's shiny, it's dirty. What is the process for cleaning a steering wheel? Well, it's not that difficult. Let's have a look. So first of all, we use an Auto Glim leather cleaner. Spray it on a really soft bristled brush. Work it into the steering wheel all the way around. Leave it for about 2 minutes. Then you get a damp cloth and you just wipe it off. Simple as that. Then you can use a conditioner. Any conditioner is fine. Any leather conditioner is fine, but I chose a Leather Honey, which is a company that's been going since 1968. It protects and restores. There's no oily residue. Is water repellent and is non-toxic. Let's give it a go. Get the leather cleaner, give it a good shake. Not too much. Let's just start working it in. Right, let's leave that for 2 minutes. 2 minutes and counting. 2 minutes are up. Get a damp cloth and just wipe it off. Okay, it's been 2 minutes. Here's the leather conditioner. I've got a little applicator. Applicator, what I mean is just a basic little sponge, nothing special. You get this anywhere. It says on the bottle, apply it in small patches. Leave it for 2 hours, preferably overnight, then wipe off the excess. So we've applied the conditioner. Let's have a look. You see it's all shiny again with the conditioner, but you leave that on for 2 hours, preferably overnight. Then you just wipe off, buff it down basically, just wipe off the excess, buff it down, and your steering will be clean, protected, and it'll be like new again. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that video and it was useful. If you like it, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.